What are you looking for besides accuracy? Faster speed? Better efficiency? Higher throughput? At Liferiver, to save time is what we're pursuing. Liferiver is a world-leading PCR-based IVD solution provider, developing, manufacturing, and marketing real-time PCR diagnostic kits as well as instruments. We're dedicated to diagnostic solutions in clinical applications as well as scientific research, and have developed over 400 tests, covering most of the notifiable infectious diseases. Our products are widely used in public health emergencies, clinical diagnostics, border control, food safety, and other fields. Instead, 300 products are CE marked, and some are even approved by WHO, including COVID-19 test. We are selling to over 100 countries and territories, and have won favorable recognition around the world. At the start of this pandemic, Liferiver took the initiative and was one of the first companies to have developed the COVID-19 detection kit. This kit is the first IVD approved by NMPA in China for detection of COVID-19 RNA, which is now also CE marked and approved by WHO, Health Canada, TGA in Australia, and other regulatory authorities. For humanitarian purpose, this test has also been donated to a number of countries in South America, Southeast Asia, and Middle East. Innovation is what we strive for, based on our proprietary technologies such as fully automated nucleic acid extraction technology, nanomagnetic bead preparation technology, multiple fluorescent quantitative PCR technology, and fluorescent probe modification technology. We have developed nucleic acid extraction systems such as EX9600 and Ultra 9600 Plus, as well as fully automated sample-to result PCR systems, including Ultra-Make Mini and Ultra-Make Mini 4800 Plus. Furthermore, to meet the demand of high throughput and automation, we have developed a completed automated PCR mini lab, which can process 5,000 tests per day, and thus effectively clears the bottleneck of molecular diagnostics. At Liferiver, we decode life-gene, protect health with science, and save time so that we could all live better.